Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
We left Nassau about 2 hours ago. That's Nassau back there. The seas are, according to all the apps that we have access to, are only about a foot. It looks a little bigger to me, but regardless, it was right on our beam. And it was just killing us. It was just rocking us back and forth constantly because it's 1 foot at a 2-second interval. So we just kept getting slammed back and forth from one side to another. Everything was falling everywhere. So I've had to go into tacking mode. So I'm zigzagging across our line, and it's going to take a lot longer to get to where we're going. We're headed to Highborne Cay. This will take a lot longer this way, but it's a much more comfortable ride. We're still getting tossed around a little bit, but nothing like we were before I took it off the course. So it was supposed to be a following sea. If I'd known it was a beam sea, probably wouldn't have departed today, but so much for the accuracy of some of these apps. But anyway, we're tacking, we'll get there. It's just going to take a little bit longer.
Drizzly out. Went and got fuel. We're on our way to Highborne in the Bahamas. Highborne Cay. Highborne Cay in the Bahamas. And it's been overcast and gloomy all day, and I've taken the opportunity to have a nap without even meaning to. I sit down, next thing I know, an hour had gone by.
I think I'm on to a new melody. It's not a mix-up, so bad talking, open wounds.
One of the things I find interesting, it being our first time in the Bahamas, is, I mean, we're mostly out, other than way off in the distance, you can see Nassau behind us, but you can't see land anywhere else. And yet, everywhere you look, you see boats. It won't show up in the camera, so I'm not going to try to point at them, but I mean, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Just at a glance, I can see 18 boats off in the, towards the horizon in various directions. Pretty much every direction I look, you just see lots of boats, which I find interesting because, like I say, we're out in the middle of the water. It's not like we're in a channel where they're all concentrated, so it's just interesting there's that many boats out here.
Heavy breathing and overeating has suddenly left me. Talking to myself after a bottle of wine.
We are anchored off of Highborne Cay. Got here yesterday. It's been really rolly on the boat. So we put the dinghy over, packed a lunch, and we're going to the beach where it doesn't roll.
I am you and you are me. How is that not strange? I don't wanna sit just to sit, but my healer told me your inner world will unfold just like that. It's a fact that we can't be foolish for too long. I I think I've written every song. Soon, from here on to the moon, I run, run, run to overcome and be done. Oh, will it ever change? Oh, secrets in the west stick to my body like glue. Oh, what would I do if that wasn't the case? Growing while living is such a blessing, I know. But I don't wanna spend just to own stuff. But this way, it's never enough. And I've learned when I have less, it eases this damn stress. And we can't be foolish for too long. I think I've written every song. Soon, from here on till the moon, I run, run, run to overcome and be done. Oh, will it ever change? Oh, will it ever change? And we can't be foolish for too long. I think I've written.
So we are on a small group of islands that is, they nicknamed it the Iguana Islands, and there's for good reason. Look at all these iguanas on this thing. So we had a really nice day today. We went over to the beach, spent a little while there just hanging out, and then we all took a dinghy ride over to the marina. There's a marina here at Highborne Cay. Went and looked at it and saw some sharks, and then we went across the channel on the north side of Highborne Cay to Iguana Island is what they call it, and saw a bunch of iguanas. The ride over there was it was wet because the wind was still kicking up and the waves were pretty good, 3 to 4 footers seemed like to me anyway, and we're going up and down them in the dinghy and splashing. We had probably 4 inches of water in the bottom of our dinghy by the time we got over there. Coming back was a lot smoother because the waves were behind us, and came back, hung out on the boat for a little while with Roger and Lori, and made a decision of where to go tomorrow. Gonna continue heading south, so stick with us and we'll show you where we go. Thanks for watching.